We drove through Tokyo's busy streets to go to Chofu Airport, a small airport west of central Tokyo. We get into the hangar and discuss flight plans with Captain Tatsuo Nomura.
So we're going to take 2 airplanes into Oshima Island. Nomura-san, what route are we going to take today?
Today, we will be flying 2 planes over Tokyo Bay to reach our destination, Oshima Island, a volcanic island about 100 kilometers south of Tokyo. The planes arrived, and I was delighted to see that one of the planes we will be flying is actually a Beechcraft Debonair I painted and refurbished in Manila for Tomioka-san back in the days. The other one is a Cessna 182, which Captain Nomura will be flying. We headed out and flew side by side over Tokyo Bay, admiring the breathtaking views from above. And then, it appears, the prominent crater of Mount Mihara, Oshima's active volcano. Its perfectly rounded basin is truly a sight to behold. We land in Oshima's airstrip and proceeded to explore this little volcanic island.